Hi everyone, welcome to the Looney Ballooney Learning Center. As always, I'm Tess, and today we're working on balloon fundamentals. And this one, I have to admit, I don't know the technical name for it. I call it the puff. It's a little accent you can add onto any designs, and I'll show you why I call it the puff afterwards. Okay, so you're going to take 3 260s, and you're going to fully inflate them, stretch them out a little bit first. I always stretch my 260s. And you're going to fully inflate all the way to the end. Then you're going to let a little bit of air out so you can get a little end on it. You can sort of squeeze, but it's resisting you a little bit. There we go. Okay. Take and tie both ends together to form a big loop. Okay. Now you're going to take, and I take the tied side and pull them straight apart to get the halfway point over here. Then I push them together, put the halfway that I had identified and the tied ends together, and spin them. Spin them a few times to get them around, and you create the infinity symbol or a figure eight, whatever you want to call it. Do that 2 more times. I pre-did an orange and a blush, or peach, whatever you want to call it. You're then going to loop your hands into one end and into the other. So you've got them together. Now, you can do this with as many as you want. I'm doing it for 3 to help you when you're starting, okay? And just spin them around. And there you go. You can leave them in color, or you might be doing them with all the same color. I did it with multiple colors to try and show you. Okay? And for me, it reminds me of the loofah puff that you use in the shower. And so that's why I call it a puff. What would you call it? All right. So you can do this with as many as you want to create as many. This is also the beginning of a flower that you see out there in the world, the woven flower. But it's a lot of fun. I tie a 260 and I put it on anything. All right. So that's Tess's puff. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you on your journey of ballooning yourself. Bye for now.